Want to know, is the snow going to continue and how much more are we going to get?
Yeah, it will, Christine, especially to the east of Rochester. I think we'll get some lake effect into tomorrow morning. So for many of us, it won't quit snowing until perhaps sometime midday tomorrow. But you just couldn't ask for better weather for the skiers, for the sledders, for the snowmobilers. And boy, the summit of Bristol Mountain really was testament to that today. This is our time lapse from our WeatherBug station there at the summit of Bristol Mountain, and just check out all of those people enjoying the day, getting out into some of that fresh powder. A lot of our weather spotters in the area around Bristol reporting upwards of about 6 inches of fresh snow just today. In fact, let's talk about some of those snowfall totals. The jackpot was in Penn Yan. They had at least 7 inches. One of our Facebook reporters said maybe even more than that in some spots. 5.5 inches in Oshen. 4.5 inches in Newark. They had about 4 inches in Geneva. Officially in Rochester, just a little bit less than 3 inches of snow. But we will see a few fresh inches of fluff, I think, before all is said and done with this system. We're at 27 degrees right now in Rochester, though. It feels more like it's in the teens when you factor in that wind, which is coming in out of the north at 15 miles per hour. Weather watchers calling in and checking in with temperatures largely into the 20s. 23 in Penn Yan right now, 28 in Batavia, where Dave Funston checked in with 6 inches of snow today. And it was snowing even harder in parts of central New England. It's all because of a coastal storm that really blossomed in a big way. We're on the back edge of that system, and as the winds go a little bit more northwesterly here in Rochester, we're going to find some response off of Lake Ontario to give us some lake flakiness into early tomorrow. Here it is in the Futurecast. You can see it's going to be snowing and blowing through central New England and parts of northern New York as we head through the next several hours. Again, the backlash comes in through the early morning tomorrow, and it means a few more flakes flying about. But by afternoon, I wouldn't be shocked if we caught a break or two of sun as some drier air tries to come in. And as we head into Sunday night, the winds will shift into the southwest. And so temperatures might actually climb a little bit tomorrow night into Monday. We could easily be back into the low 30s for a while on Monday. And then, yeah, more snow will be coming our way with a Arctic push of air, pretty potent cold front, and you'll see the results of that in the 7-day forecast. So how much snow will we see tonight and into tomorrow morning? Another inch or two, I think, for Rochester, maybe as much as 2 to 4 inches area as well to the south and also to the southwest. So again, for tonight, we're talking about a little bit more in the way of that light snow. In general, about 1 to 4 inches, most of us seeing the 1-inch amounts more than the 4-inch amounts. The low temperature near 20. Again, that wind shifts into the northwest. It's really going to put a bite to the air. We'll have some flurries in the morning tomorrow, a little bit of lake snow, especially east of town, and then some breaks of sun, which would be nice. It's been pretty cloudy as of late. Here's that 7-day forecast. Weekend always in view. Again, as we head into Monday, temperatures moderate nicely. We're at 32 for a high. New Year's Eve looks quiet. New Year's Day colder. There'll be some flurries, some sun, 24, and then a potent cold front will come in with a bitter blast of air for Wednesday and Thursday. We might not get out of the teens on Thursday, and there's a big old goose egg there for the overnight low on Thursday morning. And then temperatures will finally rebound as we head into next weekend. But if you don't know where the heavier winter clothes are,
find them quickly.
Yes.